Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make live report monitoring of the COVID-19 India patients. बेसिकली अपन पहले आर्किटेक्चर को समझ लेते हैं कि ये प्रोजेक्ट काम कैसे करेगा. जब कभी मैं एलेक्सा से पूछूंगा एलेक्सा आस्क कोविड इंडिया टू गेट टुडेज रिपोर्ट, इट विल गिव रिप्लाई.
This skill is sponsored by the SAP RAS Industries. The today's confirmed cases in India is 69,149. Currently active cases is 45,236. Total death report is 2,249. And the recovered cases is 21,664. I am Alexa, requested to all Indians, please stay at home and stay safe.
बेसिकली अभी ये जो रिप्लाई दिया एलेक्सा ने वो कैसे दिया. एलेक्सा जो है वो डेटा रिकॉग्नाइज करेगा जो मेरा लैम्बडा फंक्शन लिखा हुआ है उससे, और जो लैम्बडा फंक्शन लिखा हुआ है वो जो डेटा फेच करेगा वो फायरबेस से फेच करेगा, और अपना जो नोड एमसीयू जो मॉड्यूल है वो जो डेटा फायरबेस पे अपलोड करने वाला है वो डेटा फेच करेगा कोविड-19 इंडिया के सर्वर से. तो बेसिकली सेम जो डेटा है वो एप्लीकेशन के थ्रू अपने को विजुअलाइज भी होगा. जैसे कि मैंने एप्लीकेशन बनाया हुआ है. तो लेट्स वंस अगेन वी विल ट्राई टू आस्क एलेक्सा आस्क कोविड इंडिया टू गेट टुडेज रिपोर्ट.
This skill is sponsored by the SAP RAS Industries. The today's confirmed cases in India is 69,149. Currently active cases is 45,236. Total death report is 2,249. And the recovered cases is 21,664. I am Alexa, requested to all Indians, please stay at home and stay safe.
This is the final output of the project. Basically I am created the Alexa skill and also make application for the visualize the live report of the COVID-19 India. Now for this project we have required the Alexa, then application, then Firebase account, then AWS IoT console and one Node MCU module. Let's move toward the coding. First of all, create a separate folder. I am given name as a Corona. Let's open the folder. All codes link I will give in the description of the video. Open the main program. सिंपली इस कोड में ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. आई एम राइटेड हियर स्क्रिप्ट .h.c script. First script is for the Wi-Fi connection, Wi-Fi connect.h. Basically it will search the your hotspot's name which given rated here. The main code. Basically I am fetch the live corona report from the this HTTP URL. Let's check. Go to Google Chrome and paste here this link. You can see it will show the all countries live report. Then press Ctrl F button, search for the India. You can see here Our country code is India. Then currently cases is 69,149. Today's cases is 1,988. Here I am writing string URL coronavirus 19 dot, which we are seen previously. Then you can see here I am writing here /India. Here you can see the data is fetched in the form of case sentences. Here you can see I am created here JSON array for the fetching data. The data given name is writing here cases, also given here cases, and data type is integer. Same, fetch data in the form of integers, confirm, date, recovered cases, today's cases, active cases, and the total test. Same JSON array given here cases, today's cases, date reported, today's date, recovered date, active cases. The given data in the form of JSON log in confirm, date, recovered case, today's case, active case, and total test, and also print this data on the serial monitor. In this same code, I will attach the Firebase code. Here I am included the one library, firebase.h library, and write here my Firebase hostname and authentication. And also write toString for the uploading the data. Here you can see I am writing line for the uploading the data. Firebase set float confirm cases get confirm, date cases get date report, recovered. You can see the data is reported here. Confirm cases and confirm report. Here confirm cases, confirm report, date, recovered, total cases, total test, date, recovered, total cases, total test. Simply upload the code in module. After successfully uploading the code, you can see serial monitor output. Check baud rate 9600. Here you can see this line is fetching data from the API URL, and this data is divided by our program. Let's move toward the Alexa skill. Go to new tab. Search for the Alexa developer. Alexa developer console. I am created here skill COVID-19 India. Just simply created name as COVID-19 India. Then add the invocation name. Invocation name is a simply given name as you want. Then created intent. Here I am created one shot fetch COVID India intent. This intent will fetch the data from the Firebase account and also paste this intent in Lambda function. Also I am writed here phrases which I want to asking to the Alexa. Search for AWS Lambda function. I am created here skill COVID-19 India skill. And simply write code here. You can see here I am first of all write Varactor Firebase host. This is the my account Firebase link. You can see here this link and this link is same, and created one expert handler which fetch data from the Firebase account. You can see here the invocation name which I am writed here one shot fetch COVID India intent, which request the intent name and get value of the report of the COVID India skill, and simply write here phrase and then click on save. The Lambda function is attached by the adding trigger here. Select Alexa skill kit trigger and paste here the Alexa skill ID. The Alexa skill ID is given at the endpoint of the this is the Alexa skill ID. Also paste the ARN pin here, the endpoint name.